pathetic.
Yeah. Just like, I hate life.
I hate me. I hate my toes.
I hate what I've become.
Sometimes I like my boobs.
I like your boobs too.
I like your boobs.
Hey, so like, okay, today I was like walking down the halls at school, and like this guy, he thinks he's so cool. He's like this big jock. Like, I hate him so much. He comes up to me, he's like, "You're a stupid bitch," and I'm like, "What? Like, what do you want with me?"
No one understands us.
And then he pulled my pants down in front of everybody. Like, pulling someone's pants down. And, like, it's not like I wear underwear. So everyone saw, like, my vagina. Like, has that ever happened to you?
No one understands me. I don't socialize with people.
Like,
Except for
we're,
you.
like, we're the only, like, you're the only person I talk to.
I'm the only person I talk to.
Like,
I just want to be understood, you know? I want people to understand that just not a person who cuts my wrist and blacks my
I cut other
eyes.
places too.
Yeah.
I cut places that no one sees. Well, after, like, thought nobody would see them, but after
I see
today.
them.
Yeah.
That's a smile to my face. That's the only thing.
Nothing puts a smile on my face. Except your vagina.
So I'm wasted.
Greetings, Earthlings.
You hear that? The people